Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making lipstick cookies. Alright guys, so I'm starting off by adding a cup of butter to my mixer. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of sugar and we're going to cream these two together. Once it's all combined, go ahead and add an egg. Continue mixing. Once it's all nicely combined in, you're gonna go ahead and add some pink food coloring. Now this is 3.5 cups of flour. And that is it, guys. I mean, how fast was this dough to make? Look at this color. Is there any better color than this pink? Now comes the fun part. We're gonna be rolling this out. If you guys wanted to do different color lipsticks, just divide this dough and then add a little bit more pink or maybe some purple. Divide this into like maybe 4 pieces. You don't want to work with too much dough because then your lipsticks won't be as smooth. Okay, go ahead and take a knife and you want to cut a 3-inch length, and we're going to just slant right where we're cutting, just so it looks identical to a lipstick. And the other side, you want it to be flat. And there we go. We got lipstick number 1. And once you're all done, you're gonna take your lipsticks to harden up in the fridge. The dough is gonna get nice and firm. I have some here that I made yesterday. These lipsticks, they're really hard. They just firmed up all the way. This will ensure that your dough is gonna stay its shape. Lay them all out about 2 inches apart. It's so funny because I feel like these are crayons or something. They're so hard and colorful. All right, carefully place these into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the 12 to 14 minutes is up, go ahead and take your cookies out. This is what they look like. Aren't they just so pretty? The different color pinks just really pop out. So we're gonna let these cool. Just wait like 2 minutes for them to cool down a little, and then we're gonna transfer them onto a cooling rack. You could go ahead and start melting your chocolates. Pop them into the microwave. Let's go ahead with our first lipstick and just dunk it on in there. Oh, look at this. Isn't she cute? It literally looks like a real lipstick. I want to already eat this. Put it on either a silicone baking sheet or back on the cooling rack, and we're gonna harden this guy up. This is what they look like once they firm up. And just go across with some white icing and just make a line right over the top like that, just to make these look a little bit more realistic. And there we go, guys. Our lipstick cookies are ready. I mean, how cute are these? And there you have it, guys. The most easiest cookies ever, and possibly the most cutest. These lipstick cookies are perfect for any party. You could change up the flavor and make them like strawberry. You could add vanilla. And that's it. They were easy, huh? The inside of these are, I don't know if you could tell, they're so moist and they're just so buttery and crispy on the outside. And the best part is like the chocolate bottom, in my opinion, because you know, anything dipped in chocolate is just out of this world. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.